You have a car in here? You go enjoy yourself.
你咁揸車都有嘅？有冇牌㗎你？啲白布嚟㗎。
The new shipment of parts is arriving at the Kennedy Town docks. Get down there before the 18K steal them.
Subtle!
They're getting away! Don't let them get those parts! Those are key to the car! Stop them! Use the EMP. You can cause them to lose control. It fries their electronics. They can't steer.
Punk!
點啊？驚到腳軟啊！
插撚死條撚樣，點打你會
打撚爆佢！捉住佢！
老母！
肯定 人幫你收屍啦！
插撚死條撚樣，劈佢老母！
啄齊佢！
條撚樣，
踢爆佢啊！邊個腳軟啊？
插撚死條撚樣！屌你啊！快雞！劈佢老母！插撚死條撚樣！我打撚爆你個頭啦！
打多兩齊啊！兜頭打落去啦！啄齊佢！
劈佢老母！
一嘢收鳩佢皮啦！撚喺呢度啦！
睇怕！插撚死
啄齊
佢！
佢！一嘢收鳩佢皮啦！啄齊佢！
Damn it.
Well, well, well. Look who decided to join us.
Yeah, it's good to see you.
Come on in.
You sure you don't want to fuck her a little before you start? It's no problem at all. I'll just have to swing by your hotel on the way to the studio.
Nah, man, I'm good. We could do a photo shoot or whatever, and look, I'm sure it'd be fun and all, but that's not why I'm here, dude.
Ah, you don't know what you're missing. This baby will fuck you in a way your wife never could.
Sonny, this is Wei. Wei, the infamous Sonny Woe.
That's me. Infamous and notorious. Glad you could come by. Ricky's told me all about you. This is King.
What's good?
He's producing Vivian Liu's next big hit.
Yeah, it's gonna be hot, man.
Wei here's the real deal. A bona fide tried killer from the streets. Cleavers, guns, castrations, whatever you want.
Okay.
Wei, why don't you take King out on the town and show him around?
Yeah, anytime.
It's like one big playground, man. Nothing's off limits. You want to pick up some girls, get nasty, done. And with Wei, no one will bother you. Nobody fucks with Sun On Yi.
Yeah, well, I mean, actually, that sounds all right. If you don't mind showing me around.
Yeah, sure.
I wish I could go with you players, but business calls.
All right, cool, man. Yo, it was real nice to meet you, Sonny. Let's hit the streets.
Let's do it.
Ricky, listen to this. I've been thinking. We need to get her a movie role of some sort.
Hey, I think we'll start at the K-Bar. The VIP room should give us what we need.
Hey, it's your town, man.
So you producing for Sonny?
Yeah, just this one time. Man, that guy's a piece of work.
He's a fucking clown, you ask me.
I'm glad you said it first.
But he does good business. Makes everyone a lot of money. Hey, I think we'll start at the K-Bar. The VIP room should give us what we need.
Hey, it's your town, man.
So you producing for Sonny?
Yeah, just this one time. Man, that guy's a piece of work.
He's a fucking clown, you ask me.
I'm glad you said it first.
But he does good business. Makes everyone a lot of money. But as far as his personality goes... Hey, I think we'll start at the K-Bar. The VIP room should give us what we need.
Hey, it's your town, man.
So you producing for Sonny?
Yeah, just this one time. Man, that guy's a piece of work.
He's a fucking clown, you ask me.
I'm glad you said it first.
But he does good business. Makes everyone a lot of money. But as far as his personality goes...
Good to know we're on the same page. Fact is, I got some other business to discuss. But I don't think my partners back in the stage will want to be in bed with that guy.
What kind of business?
I got friends. Guys I grew up with.
Hey, I think we'll start at the K-Bar. The VIP room should give us what we need.
Hey, it's your town, man.
So you producing for Sonny?
Yeah, just this one time. Man, that guy's a piece of work.
He's a fucking clown, you ask me.
I'm glad you said it first.
But he does good business. Makes everyone a lot of money. But as far as his personality goes...
Good to know we're on the same page. Fact is, I got some other business to discuss. But I don't think my partners back in the stage will want to be in bed with that guy.
What kind of business?
I got friends. Guys I grew up with. They got a real good import and retail thing going. Maybe they could use a good Hong Kong angle. Access to